Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I haven't seen this box in a while, but I got my Cause box in the mail. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited for this Cause box. This is like a seasonal box, so it's kind of just like if you do like the Fab Fit Fun box. It's seasonal, so you'll get it like every like season. We do not get this every single month, so I haven't seen this in a while, but I'm excited to see what I got in this box. I do like Cause box because a lot of the things in there, they go for a cause, hence the name Cause box. So a lot of stuff goes to charity, helps out with different types of charities. Everything's like environmental friendly, vegan, clean. With that being said, that's why I'm like, I have to get this box because I like things like that. I have a lot of boxes. Yet again, I'm always overwhelmed with the boxes. I have like my Ipsy. I have my Macy's box. I have my Walmart beauty box. I have my glossy box. That's just the ones that I have over here. I still have to do my boxy charms or my Ipsies. Oh, I have a lot of boxes. So I don't know what order I'm going to do them in. I'm probably going to try to film like 3 boxes today and try to bang everything out. Alrighty, so I'm going to dig into everything, but I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I love makeup or anything makeup related, so I just love makeup subscription boxes because you get to try new things for like a really cheap price because you get a lot of bang for your buck with these boxes. So every month you'll see different boxes, you'll see makeup hauls, you'll see mystery boxes, you'll see a little bit of everything, shopping hauls, makeup related. If that's something you're interested in, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family. I love everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. You guys are the best. Love you guys to pieces. And without further ado, we're gonna see what's in this box. Alrighty, guys. So when you open her up, this is what it looks like. I'm shocked nothing fell out. Huge box. We have some cards here. So I got a postcard from Cause box that you probably can't see. Oh, there you go. I got like a booklet that I'm guessing tells you everything. I think this is my second Cause box that I did on this channel, so I'm not that 100% familiar with the box yet, but I just love that it would go to a cause, and they normally go to charities, a different charity each box. So I was like, I gotta get this box. I love the inside. The inside looks beautiful. They definitely put a lot of money into the box, and then we got like a little sticker here. So let's see. I got another little paper. And let's dig in. So, sorry, this top, it's supposed to be like on your shoulders like this. But I like it like up here. Should I just keep it down? Yeah, I'm looking in the viewfinder. Yeah, I think I'm going to just keep this down because it keeps like falling from up here. And I keep pulling it up. So I'm just going to leave it down. I think we get to choose like a week before everyone else can choose. Something like that to that extent. But I was a couple of days in, so I feel like I got all the crappy stuff. As always, I always forget or it's too late. But this is what I picked. I picked whatever was left. So I think this is a robe. So let's see this. All right, so let's look at the first item, which is this lovely robe here. This is by Trend and Supply. What size did I get? It says SFM. What the heck is SFM? This is what it looks like. It's gray. which is not my color, but of course this wasn't my first pick. Oh, this is not a, it's not a, it's a cardigan. Ooh, yeah. It doesn't go with my outfit though. You know, this is killing my outfit today, but let's see here. It's long. Let's see. It's very, very long. You can't even see. I can't even go all the way down to show you. It's very long, but it's like a cardigan. I love this. I think I may wear this tomorrow. This is cute. I'm here for it. Let me put my other thing down. This is cute. This is by Thread and Supply. Oh, okay. I like this again. I like that it's kind of two-toned on the bottom and it has pockets. I'm super excited for this. I'm going to wear this tomorrow. Okay, you know what? I lied. I said I didn't like it, but I like it. I like it. All right, so that's the first thing. The next thing I got, what is this? I got a rejuvenating body polish by True Moringa. Let me see if it has a smell. Oh, it's sealed. Exfoliating body scrub with coffee. You guys see? I'm not going to open it yet. I'm not going to open it yet because I don't like to open stuff till I start to use it. The next thing I got is from Skin & Co. This is a face toner made in Italy. I heard Skin & Co. is very popular. So that's that. Do I have prices or anything? Let's see if this book has like any prices or it tells you about any. Oh, it does. It actually does. As you can see, that's the Skin & Co. up here. And that's like the body polish that I got. Right here is a robe. Not the robe. I said the robe. This is a cardigan. It retails for $25. My Skin & Co. retails for $30, and the body polish retailed for $34. I want to say this box is like $50, like the same price as FabFitFun. And it's a little bit of everything. It's like lifestyle. It reminds me a lot of lifestyle stuff too as well. Like kind of like the FabFitFun. Except for like FabFitFun, the stuff may not go for like a cause, and this box does. I got a planner. As you guys know, I have a highly managerial job role in the beauty community, so I have to stay organized. So I chose a planner. I really like this. You know what? I lied. I said I've got like all the bad dibs on everything, but I'm actually liking everything. So this is what the planner looks like. 2001 planner. I love this. It says 2001. January through December, and it says you get monthly calendars, year at glance, note pages, goal tracking, sticker sheets. So I love that, like, I already have like 2 planners that I use for like work, so I'm so like OCD, and I have a planner for like my personal life to be organized with bills and like life and things I have to do on my days off. So even though I have no days off because I film when I'm off, so your girl's always working. She's working when she's not working, booked and busy. But like I like the pages. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see. My light is so bright. I could barely see looking at the camera because the lights are so bright. But they have like little cues where you could write stuff. So I'm definitely, and I like that it's small, so I don't have to walk around with a big bulky planner. I love this. I love this. Love, love, love this. So this retails for $32. Oh, this is a woman owned and operated. So like sometimes they do a lot of stuff like that. That's all like woman owned too, which is kind of cool. That cardigan, it says that it's organic. Like everything is like clean. Like I just love that everything is like a cause. So I'm really love. Oh, they had coasters. I didn't. Why didn't I pick that? They had some gold hoops. They had some pretty cool things. Like they had coasters, like these coasters and earrings. But you choose what you want. I did not choose that. Um, they had like foot mask. I didn't choose that either. There goes my planner that I chose. Let's see what this is. What did I choose? What is this? The best thing about these boxes is, but when you choose your stuff, like they just randomly come that you just like forget that you even like ordered anything. But let's see what this is. I love the pouch. Does it give me like a little preview? It says, oh, a silk pillowcase. I'm gonna sleep with this tonight. Ooh la la. I never had a silk pillowcase before. This is my first one. They say you sleep like a baby with a silk pillowcase. I'm excited for this. This is 100% made from bamboo. It says Attitude, that's the name of the company, Clean Bamboo, is made in a closed loop system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. So you guys get what I'm saying? Like everything is like good for the environment. Like I'm just loving this. So definitely gonna use these silk, well, it's only one, but I'm gonna use a silk pillowcase. Soften your skin, gentle on the planet, and they gave me like a coupon for 20% off. So that's what this, they gave me like a little coupon. And then I got reusable zip pouches. So like you see what I'm saying? It's kind of like lifestyle a little bit. Let's see, do I have anything on this? Let's see, yes. So these reusable zip pouches are $22. It says replace more than 300 single-use bags per piece for a total of 1,500 single-use bags. 40% of every order with Boone Supply supports a fundraiser of your choice. So you see what I'm saying? Everything goes for a cause. They had this cute tea kettle, but that I thought about getting up here, but I was like, I'm not gonna get it. Oh, it says made with 100% recycled polyester. Estimated 434,000 liters water saved. Wow, this is amazing. This box is amazing. Guys, that's everything I got in my cause box. I would give this, honestly, a 8 out of 10. I love everything in a box. I'm going to use everything. I'm glad that this is something that everything I'm going to use. There was nothing that like wowed me, but I'm definitely, sometimes I get stuff in subscription boxes and I know I'm never going to use it. And it's like, I got to give it away. Like you guys know, like when I hit certain milestones with my subscribers, I do giveaways to my people that subscribe to me. But this is something all here that I would keep. There's something that I would give away that I know I wouldn't use. I'm super excited the most for this planner. And believe it or not, this cardigan was nice. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Oh, don't you just love soft, cozy stuff? Like this is like so like cozy. I loves it. Loves it. Alrighty, so let me know down below what you guys think about my cause box. Does anybody on my channel have cause box? And if you do, let me know if you like it and what you get in your box. Yeah, that's really about it. I'm trying to decide what other box I'm gonna open next, because you guys know I like to do a couple of videos a day. Should I do my Ipsy or my, I think I want to do like my Macy's box. The Macy's box, believe it or not, I want to say this box is $15, and I've been loving like everything in this box. And they give you like a $5 coupon that you can use like in the cosmetic department. So in reality, the box is only $10 because you get $5 off anything in the beauty department. And I think you get like a month or two to use it. So, yeah. Or should I do my Walmart? Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have too much boxes. Too much boxes. I don't know. Usually I tell you guys what box I'm going to do for my next video, but I have no clue what I'm going to do. I don't know. What should I do? I think I want to do my Macy's box. Yeah, I'm going to do the Macy's box next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love my video and you want to support me, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you like my videos, then subscribe. Become a part of my YouTube family. That way you guys can see all my new videos when they come out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in my next video.